Hello everyone, welcome to my Cat by Pooja. So in this SolidWorks tutorial series, we will design this decorative glass jar from scratch. In today's part 1, we will create the complete jar body using Revolve, split line, circular pattern and other SolidWorks features. And before we start, I would like to mention that the jar is currently assigned a yellow plastic appearance. And this is only to make the design features more visible and easier to understand. And once the design is complete, we will apply a glass appearance to give it a more realistic look and better visualize the final product. So now let's begin. Click on File, New, Part, OK. So select Front Plane, Sketch. Select Center Line, Orientation, Vertical, Infinite Length and place it at the origin. Now select 3-point arc, make one arc here and make another arc somewhere here. Now select this point and the origin, make them horizontal. Click on Smart Dimension. Select this point and the origin, the vertical height is 200 mm. Now select this arc and for the radius value, enter 50 mm. Select this point and this vertical axis. This gap is 55 mm. Select this point and the origin. This gap is 60 mm. Now select this arc and the radius value for this arc is 300 mm. Select fillet. Fillet radius is 30 mm and select this point. Click OK. Now click on Smart Dimension. Select this point and this vertical axis. This gap is 92 mm. Now select this point again and the origin. This distance is 160 mm. So as you can see on the screen, our sketch is fully defined. Now go to Surfaces and click on Revolve Surface. Click OK. Now go to Sketch again, Edit Sketch, select Line, and go to Smart Dimension, enter 5. Now exit the sketch and select Fillet. Fillet radius 5 mm and select this circular edge. Click OK. Now select Top Plane, Sketch. Click on Line, make line number 1. Select line again and make line number 2. Click on Smart Dimension as we need to define the angle between these two lines. 360 divided by 45 as we would be needing 45 ridges around the surface divided by 2. Okay. Click on Mirror Entities. Select this line, mirror above this line. Okay. Exit the sketch. Go to Features, Reference Geometry, Plane. Now select this line and this point. Okay. Reference Geometry, Plane. This time select this line and this point. Click OK. Now select plane number 1, Sketch. Select line. Draw a vertical line like this Exit the sketch. Select plane number 2, sketch. Draw one line like this. Exit the sketch. Select split line. Select sketch number 3 and select all these places one by one. Okay. Now select split line again. This time select sketch number 4 and start selecting these places one by one. And click OK. Now select sketch number 2, plane 1 and plane 2 and hide them. Go to surfaces and select delete face. Start selecting these faces one by one. And click OK. Now click on Thicken. Select the surface. Thickness 2.5 mm. Click OK. Now select Fillet. Fillet radius 3.5 mm. Select this edge and this edge. Click OK. Now it's time to use circular pattern. Go to features. And before we select circular pattern, select sketch number 3, show. Now select circular pattern. For direction, select this sketch. 360 degree, 45 number of instances. Okay. Now select body and click OK. Now select sketch number 3 and hide it. Now go to surfaces and select this next surface and select these surfaces one by one. So now that we have selected all the curved surfaces, check on merge entities and click OK to meet them together. Now click on Thicken to create a solid body and select this inside surface, thickness 1 mm and click OK. Now as you can see on the screen, we have a smoother, cleaner and continuous appearance on the inside. Now select top plane, sketch. Select circle and make a circle at the origin. Click on Smart Dimension and for the diameter value enter 120 mm. Okay. Now go to Feature and click on Extruded Boss Base. For direction 1 enter 2 mm. For direction 2 10 mm is fine. Click OK. Now select Fillet. Fillet parameters are symmetric. Here enter 10 mm, enter 15 mm here and select this edge. Click OK. Now select this bottom face and click Sketch. Select Circle and for the diameter of the circle enter 90 mm. Go to Feature, Extruded Cut, enter 5 mm here and click OK. Now select Fillet, asymmetric. Now enter 40 here and 5 here. Select this edge. Click OK. Now go to Surfaces and select Planar Surface. Select this edge and click OK. Now go to Features, Reference Geometry, Plane. Select Top Plane and this offset distance is 215 degree. Click OK. Now select this plane and sketch. Click on Convert Entities and select this circle. OK. Now offset entities and select this circle. Offset distance 2.5 mm. Click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Up to Surface and select this surface. Click OK. Now select plane number 3 and hide it. Select this surface and hide it too. Now select this top face, sketch. Click on Convert Entities and select this circular edge. Now click on Offset Entities, select this circular edge, click OK. Now go to Features and click on Extruded Boss Base. Direction 1 blind and extend. Click OK. So as you can see on the screen, the glass jar body is almost complete. Now click on Fillet. Fillet radius 1 mm. Select this inner circular edge, this top face, select this circular edge, delete this face. We want to select only this circular edge. Click OK. Now it's time to give it an appearance. Click on Appearances. Select Glass, Gloss, and here click on Reflective Green Glass. Let's change the display style. So as you can see on the screen, the glass jar body is now complete. We created the main shape, added the decorative grooves and prepared it for assembly. And in part 2, we will design the matching lid and then assemble both components to create the final product. Thanks for watching my CAD by Pooja, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.